Driving transformational outcomes. We at Insight talk a lot about the fact that our customers look to our technology and to our people as a critical partner that they can trust to help power their digital transformation and measurable success. That's because, as a manufacturer distributor, the majority of your revenue comes from your existing customers. Many of our customers have rich and long histories, thriving and adapting throughout the years, even as their businesses have experienced change. It begs the question, why have these companies survived and thrived for so many years? I actually believe it's simple. These companies have offered products and services in a way that keeps their customers coming back. High quality products, reliable services, competitive prices, strong relationships ultimately based on trust. It is awesome to think about what the tremendous legacies these manufacturers and distributors have. The question is, how will they and how will you ensure that your past successes will translate into greater success in the future? We believe that the most innovative B2B companies are hyper-focused on and willing to invest in driving better user experience and value-added services to their customers. Whether you're a $50 million company or a $500 million business or a Fortune 500 organization, it is a fact that delighting your customers by making relevant information accessible in a personalized experience will increase your customer satisfaction, lower your customer attrition, and drive higher annual revenue per customer, while at the same time delivering operational efficiencies by freeing up your customer-facing teams to focus on more proactive and value-added engagements, not just be order takers. To do it right, with a world-class platform like Insights, you have to make an investment, not just in the software and the implementation, but even more importantly, in your people and your strategy to commit leadership and resources to drive adoption and measurable success in your digital strategy. By implementing Insight Commerce, our customers realize an unsurpassed value and return on that collective organizational investment fivefold, tenfold, or more, driving transformational outcomes. We welcome a chance to have a conversation about what digital success looks like for you and your business.